Space has always been a symbol of mystery for humanity. We looked at the stars and dreamed of reaching places where no human had ever set foot. But every time science made a step forward, doubts and conspiracy theories appeared alongside it. Did we really land on the moon? Do governments hide contact with extraterrestrials from us? And what is actually happening in secret laboratories? Today we'll uncover the most famous space conspiracies that have fascinated people's imagination for decades. In 1969, the world witnessed a historic event. The Apollo 11 astronauts landed on the moon. "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," said Neil Armstrong. But almost immediately rumors began to spread. Did it really happen? Skeptics pointed to several strange details. The photos from the moon show no stars, the flag waves, despite the lack of atmosphere, and the shadows fall at odd angles as if multiple studio lights were used. The most popular theory claimed the landing was filmed in a studio, allegedly directed by Stanley Kubrick. Yet the evidence against this is overwhelming. Thousands of kilograms of lunar soil brought back to Earth, observations from Soviet astronomers who tracked every mission, and dozens of astronauts who confirmed their journeys. Still, even today, some people believe we never set foot on the moon. Another legend is the famous Area 51 in the Nevada desert. In 1947, a mysterious incident occurred in Roswell when local farmers found wreckage of a strange craft. The authorities said it was a weather balloon, but conspiracy theorists remain convinced it was a flying saucer. According to rumors, the wreckage, and even alien bodies, were transported to the secret Area 51 base. Since then, countless stories have surrounded the site, from secret experiments on UFOs to weapons developed using alien technology. The official explanation is simple. The base is used to test advanced aircraft and drones. But its extreme secrecy only fuels the suspicions. In 1977, scientists captured something that still puzzles astronomers to this day. A radio signal from space, lasting 72 seconds, was so strong and clear that one of the observers simply wrote a single word next to it: "Wow!" That signal has never been detected again. Was it a message from another civilization, or just cosmic noise? There is still no explanation, which is why "wow" remains one of the greatest space mysteries of the 20th century. People also often speak of NASA's secret programs. Some claim there were covert moon missions after the official end of Apollo. Others insist astronauts found something there that could shock the world. In the Soviet Union, rumors spread about lost cosmonauts, people allegedly sent into space on missions that ended in tragedy and were never publicly acknowledged. There is no evidence, but the theory continues to live on. Equally popular are the stories of aliens living among us. There are hundreds of testimonies about people being abducted by gray humanoids, strange scars left on bodies, and fragments of memories. Some military personnel and scientists have claimed to have seen UFOs with their own eyes. The most fantastic version suggests that world governments have already been cooperating with extraterrestrials, exchanging technology. The moon landing conspiracy, UFOs, the WOW signal, lost cosmonauts, aliens among us, all of these stories share something in common. Space is so vast and mysterious that it will always be fertile ground for rumors and legends. Which parts are true, and which are pure invention? One thing is certain: we are only at the beginning of exploring the cosmos. And perhaps one day, we will finally learn the answer. Are we alone in the universe, or is it filled with other forms of life?